A little is used with uncountable nouns to talk about a small amount of something. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count individually, like water, sugar, time, and information. This quantifier is essential for everyday conversations when you want to express small quantities precisely. A little means a small amount of something, like a little water. Much refers to a large amount, like much sugar in questions. A bit of expresses a small indefinite amount, like a bit of butter. A lot of indicates a significant amount, like a lot of information. A little is used specifically for small amounts of uncountable nouns in positive situations. A little water is enough means some water exists and it satisfies the need. A little sugar, please, requests a small quantity politely. A little help shows some assistance is available and helpful. Much asks about large amounts in questions, like how much money do you have? A bit of refers to a small indefinite amount, like I need a bit of advice. A great deal of means a large quantity, like she spent a great deal of time studying. Some expresses an unspecified amount, like can I have some sugar? A little has a positive meaning showing some amount exists and it is enough. I have a little money means I have some money available. There is a little water left means some water remains. Little without a has a negative meaning showing not enough amount exists. I have little money means almost no money and it is insufficient. In positive contexts, use a little time, some advice, or a bit of luck meaning some amount exists. In negative contexts, use little time meaning not enough time, not much advice meaning insufficient advice, or hardly any luck meaning almost no luck available. In everyday situations, say just a little milk please, or add a little salt to the soup, meaning small sufficient amounts. I need a little more time means some additional time is requested positively. But watch out for little patience, meaning not enough patience, or very little knowledge, meaning insufficient knowledge. Remember, a little means a small positive amount, like some that is enough. Little without a means a small negative amount, like not enough. Always use a little for positive contexts and little for negative contexts when talking about uncountable nouns.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.